Boy, he went to town on that thing.
That's probably what happened to the other one.
Oh yeah, he probably ate those other carp.
Look at that.
Take a picture on the ground.
The thing is twice the size.
The video's
and
running.
He's dragging it.
Hold that, please. I'll go down there.
I don't think muskrat. I think muskrat are vegetarian.
I will find out. I'm gonna go down and see if I can get close enough to him. I don't want to scare him away though.
I don't think he's too scared, Chris.
Well, no, I mean I want him to see him drag the fish off.
Look at that. I saw his fin still going when he was biting into it. He's a turtle little sucker, though, isn't he?
He can't get it between the rocks.
Go down and grab him by the hips and help him, Chris.
Yeah, right. I'm not helping him. He'll get it up there eventually. He's getting closer. He's gonna take a break. Oh, he almost had it.
This thing outweighs him about 3 to 1.
He's almost, I was gonna say, he's about half the size of the fish. That'd be a heck of a meal. Yeah, he can't, well, he's almost got him.
I want to help them.
I wouldn't go any closer.
It's a better angle from over here. You can see a little ass.
He's almost got him up high enough to get him into his hole. He is completely oblivious to us.
Did you jump on that thing when he got over there?
I didn't see him jump on it, but I saw him grab it.
He was like, ah!
I want to make sure it wasn't getting away.
I don't think it was getting away.
Well, no wonder he's not afraid of us. We've been feeding him. That's why there's no carp floating in here. Actually, it might be why there's no carp in there.
Oh, you got a better hold on it.
Got a better grip. He hasn't figured out to back up over the hole and pull him. Jason, you shot too big of a carp.
I'll have to shoot a smaller one next time.
Yeah, we'll have to make sure we throw him down by his hole. He can't get it. His head is too...
That one rock is on his way.
Uh-oh. He's going to get the head over the rock.
He's grabbed
Look.
by the eyeball.
He's got him at a better angle now. Oh! No!
He grabbed it by the eyeball.
Yeah, well, the eye socket, he'd be able to get his teeth in there and grab a better grip. He's still trying to get a better grip on him.
And I think he's eating the eyeball.
Maybe it's just trying to get him up on the shore to eat him. Yeah, I think he was just pulling him up to eat him. It looks like there's a hole down here, though. My arm's getting tired of holding this thing.
What kind of fish did he catch?
Oh, it's one of the carp we shot with our bow.
Stole it from you, huh?
Oh, we don't keep them and eat them. We just throw them back.
I think I can help him.
No, he was just eating it. He just pulled it up on the rocks to eat it. 'Cause he's
still eating it?
No, he's eating now.
Oh, he is. Okay.
He just wanted to get it up on the rock so it wouldn't get away from him while he started to eat it.
He probably ran out of energy.
most like.
river otter, is that what he is?
It's too big for a muskrat.
I think he's a river otter.
Yeah, that's what I think. I'm getting tired of holding the camera.
Quiet. He's hungry.
I'm surprised he hasn't run off when he's standing there.
Well, he swam right by us. Yeah.
He swam up to me when I was on my raft. That's why I got out.
I've actually had one where I stood on the bank and I made a noise and he came to me, looking right at me, and then turned around and I did it again. He came back and he came up within about 6 feet of the shore and then finally turned around and went off. So,
More tame than squirrels.
yeah.
That's not an otter.
What's he doing? Eating it?
Otters are a lot bigger than that.
No, river
Yeah,
otters.
he's eating it.
River otters aren't that. I don't know. I don't know the difference between muskrat and otter. I know
like
it's
a freaking
river otters.
Mink?
River otters.
Mink don't get that big.
He looks like
A rat?
ferret.
Looks like a rat with a
It
tail.
does look like a ferret.
Looks
That's
like a
exactly what it
ferret.
looks like. Which would be a
Ferrets swim.
yeah.
That's not a ferret, is it?
He looks
I'll bet
like
it's a ferret.
You
Ferret.
I
think
think
it's
that's a ferret.
that got away from someone?
Could have.
Or they let it go. It's a ferret.
That's what I think it is. I think it's a ferret.
That's why he's not afraid of us.
Probably.
Somebody's pet. Oh, he's just going to town on that carp.
I think it's a ferret.
I think my memory card shoots about 10 minutes. So I think I'm just going to shut it off because we've got enough video of him eating. It's more fun to watch him drag him on